Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix credit card number does not match credit card type. So guys, when you try to add any debit or credit card in your iPhone on your Apple ID and you are facing this issue again and again, and you will see that credit card number is invalid. I will show you how can you fix this problem so you can easily fix this. First of all guys, you need to go back and you need to check your card number again and check that you have entered correct numbers of your card, and you need to check expiry date of your card. If your card has been expired, you need to change your card, and after this go back, and third option, you need to enable online transaction or international transaction on your debit or credit card through bank app. And guys, after checking all these settings, you need to go back and add your card again, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then no need to worry, you have to cancel this card and you need to add a new debit or credit card, and after this your problem will be fixed. And guys, after doing all these method, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your Apple Sport app, and after this you need to wait for some seconds here. So guys, maybe it takes a long time in your iPhone or iPad, so you have to wait. And guys, from here you need to select your iPhone gadget and scroll it down, click on the option that you can see subscription and purchases, and click on update payment method. And guys, you can add your debit card from here again, and if still fixed not problem, then click on call, and you need to contact at these numbers, and you have to tell your problem that you're facing again and again, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.